So what do we have here? It's the latest SainSmart CNC. Let's get to it. I will focus just on the machine's capabilities, limits, and all those nasty things. So let's just do a sanity check on the backlash. It's quite bad. Not sure if you can see it. It is the backlash. I'm pretty sure it's not its place there, so I will do some adjustments on that one. So I hope you can see the difference here. So we have the same problem on the motor side. On this side I'm not sure if I can push it down because there's not enough space. On the other side it's completely missing. The assembly is pretty tight, so if I try to just move it, this is the sound that it makes. It's definitely not good. It has a serious backlash. These lead screws are really not good ones. And this clicking sound, I'm not sure what that means. Trying to fix the machine actually, because it is getting stuck at this end of the rail is getting really stuck. The problem is that the machine will pull the lead screw. That's why it's getting stuck at both ends.